Our next problem is prove that cos pi by 11 into cos 2 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11 equal to 1 by 32. If we look at this problem carefully, this is in the form of cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 3 theta into cos 4 theta into cos 5 theta. We know the formula of sin 2a. Formula of sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a. So here 2 sin a term is missing. So we need to multiply given with 2 sin pi by 11 and divide by 2 cos pi by 11. That is the initial step. So first write down what is the given. Given is cos pi by 11 into cos 2 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11. We need to multiply and divide given with 2 sin pi by 11 divided by 2 sin pi by 11. Why we need to divide and multiply with the 2 sin pi by 11? Because we have a cos pi by 11 term, right? We know the formula of sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a. Here 2 sin theta term is missing. That's why we need to multiply given with 2 sin pi by 2 divided by 2 cos pi by 2. Okay. So here it is 2 into sin pi by 11. This is in the form of 2 sin theta cos theta. What is the formula of 2 sin theta cos theta? Sin 2 theta. So this can be written as sin 2 by 11 into cos 2 by 11 into cos 3 by 3 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11. See, this is sin theta into cos theta. So here 2 is missing. So multiply numerator as well as denominator with 2. If you divide numerator and denominator with 2 means it becomes 1 by 4 sin pi by 11 into sin 2 theta means sin 4 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11. Okay. Again, this is sin theta cos theta. Again 2 is missing. So we need to multiply numerator as well as denominator with 2. If we multiply numerator as well as denominator with 2, then the given becomes 1 by 8 into sin pi by 11, and instead of this term and this term I will directly write, right, sin 8 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11. Okay. Okay, write down here. Final we have 1 by 8 sin pi by 11 bracket sin 8 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11. Okay. Now 1 by 8 sin pi by by 11 into, see 8 pi by 11 can be written as pi minus 3 pi by 11. This can be written as sine of pi minus 3 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11. This is sine pi 180 minus theta equal to sine theta. So this can be written as sine 3 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11. Again we have sin theta term and cos theta term. So we need to multiply numerator as well as denominator with 2. If we multiply and divide multiply numerator and denominator with 2, it becomes 1 by 16 into sine pi by 11 into sine 6 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11. Okay. See, 6 pi by 11 can be written as pi minus 5 pi by 11. 1 by 16 into sine pi by 11 into, this can be written as sine pi minus 5 pi by 11, right, into cos 5 pi by 11. Okay. I will write over here. See, this is 1 by 16 into sine pi by 11 into sine pi minus theta equal to sine theta. Sine 5 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11. So in this 2 is missing. So we need to multiply and numerator as well as denominator with 2. If we do the same, this becomes 1 by 32 into sine pi by 11 into sine 10 pi by 11. Sine 10 pi by 11 can be written as pi minus pi by 11. So this is equal to 1 by 32 into sine pi by 11 into sine pi minus pi by 11. Sin pi minus pi by 11 equal to sin pi minus theta equal to sin theta. So this is sin pi by 11. So sin pi by 11 and sin pi by 11 get cancelled. Finally we remained with 1 by 32. Okay. Anyone has questions in this? Again I will explain. First we need to write down what is the given. Given is, we need to prove that cos pi by 11 into cos 2 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11 equal to 1 by 32. Okay. So here if you look at this given carefully, here 2 sin pi by 11 is missing, because if we have that term 2 sin pi by 11 into cos pi by 11 is sin 2 pi by 11. Again it will combined with cos 2 pi by 11. It will become sin 4 pi by 11. Again we will combine the term with cos 4 by 4 pi by 11. Right? In that way we will combine that. Okay. So to perform the same thing, we need to multiply numerator as well as denominator with 2 sin pi by 2 sin pi by 11. Okay. Here we have 2 sin theta as well as cos theta term. What is the formula of 2 sin theta and cos theta? Sin 2 theta. So sin 2 theta divided by, the value should not change, right? That's why we have this term. Again we have sin theta as well as cos theta term. Here 2 is missing. So we need to multiply numerator as well as denominator with 2. Okay, that's why this 2 becomes 4, and here we have sin 2 sin theta cos theta, sin 2 theta. Okay, and again we need to take these two terms. Okay, sin 4 pi by 11 and cos 4 pi by 11. Here 2 is missing, so again we need to multiply numerator as well as denominator with 2. Okay, if we multiply denominator with 2, 4 sin pi by 11 becomes 8 sin pi by 11, and sin 4 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11 becomes sin 8 pi by 11. Okay, anyone has doubts till this point? No, right? Okay, now sin 8 pi by 11 can be written as pi minus 3 pi by 11. Same thing I did same thing here. Again this is sin theta term is there, cos theta term is there, so we need to multiply numerator as well as denominator with 2. Okay, it becomes 1 by 16 sin pi by 11 into sin 16 sin 6 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11. Cos, we have a cos term as well as sin term, but here theta is not same, right? So 6 pi by 11 can be written as pi minus 5 pi by 11. Sin pi minus theta equal to sin theta, we know, right? Here 1 by 16 into sin pi by 11 into sin 5 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11. Here again 2 is missing, so we need to multiply numerator as well as denominator with 2. So finally we have 1 by 32 sin pi by 11 into sin 10 pi by 11. 10 pi by 11 can be written as pi minus pi by 11. So finally we remained with 1 by 32. Anyone has questions in this? Okay. If you don't have any questions, note it down. In future, if you have any doubts, just message me. I will give reply.